So after 2 years, my Kia uh, key batteries are showing low battery error. You need a CR2032 batteries. I think these will cost 70 rupees for two. And let's go ahead and change the battery. It's quite simple. So this is the Kia 2023 onwards model key. First you have to press this button and remove the physical key, and it looks something like this. So use your key and press it in between these gaps, and it will pop out like this. And slide out the battery. So that's how you change your Kia key battery. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.